Hello everyone! The previous demonstration shows the scattering of light, which is just one of its behaviors. This time, I'm going to show you a demonstration of another behavior of light. In every part of the demonstration, there will be questions to be asked. So you better focus in observing so you can answer those. In this activity, we will be using the following materials. A flashlight. So in my case, I'm using my phone's flashlight because it's much brighter than the other flashlights that we have here. Or much better, you can use a laser if you have. Another is a cardboard, a thick one, and it should have a black screen with a wide slit. Another is a cardboard with a narrow slit, so make sure it's black and thick so that it will not become translucent. And of course, we'll be needing a white cartolina, which will serve as our white screen. So later, I'll be putting it up as a white screen. So what are you waiting for? Let's start now. Okay, so this is now our setup for the experiment. Now, instead of a tripod, I used my laptop where I can let my cell phone stand as a source of light. And then our white screen here is just made up of a cartolina that is attached to the wall. Now, to start with the experiment, we'll be using first the cardboard with a wide slit. Now, observe the shadow carefully, especially its edges. Then let's have the cardboard with a narrow slit. Observe the shadow and its edges. What is the difference between the shadows of the two papers? The first one has a sharper shadow. Why is the shadow of the second paper not as sharp as the first one? Light bends more as it passes through a narrow opening compared to a wider one. That is why the shadow of the second paper is not as sharp as the first one. Does this experiment highlight the wave or the particle nature of light? This experiment highlights the wave nature of light because bending is a property of a wave. And this property of light is known as diffraction. Aside from the slits, I also have tried to use a pinhole to diffract light and see what happens. It's actually a bit challenging to adjust the position of the cardboard just to achieve the pattern that we wanted to see like this, since the pinhole is very small. So as you see, there are light in dark bands or fringes surrounding the central bright band, or what we call as the central maxima.